Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Feature Friday, as I say every week, pretty much. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Betsy, and I'm a realtor in the Denver metro area and north. It's kind of a big focus for me. So every Friday, I pick a different property in a different area, and we get to go in and be nosy together. We get to see what our money buys us in different areas, see what's out there on the market, maybe talk through tips and tricks of selling, tips and tricks for buying, whatever comes up in the property as we walk through and hang out together and be nosy. So this week, normally I do these live, but this week I am doing pre-recorded, and a couple of reasons just for good quality video for you guys, but also mostly just good quality. So anyway, it's just raw, real, and we're gonna go through and be nosy together. But this property is in Boulder, Colorado, and it is a beautiful home that was built in 1965, but completely gutted and redone in 2017. And the views, like, there's so much about this house that is incredible. It has an ADU that is licensed for short-term rental, long-term rental, like whatever you need it to be. But this house is in the neighborhood of Wilson Heights, which is about 2 miles from Pearl Street. Sits up, walkout basement, has an amazing deck. I can't wait to show you all of the things and go through it and just see there's so much to this home that if it is something that is interesting or that you want more information on, let me know. Like, put a note, direct message me, text me, whatever it is. Like, I would love to answer any more questions that I may not be able to even highlight through this walkthrough, just to keep it somewhat short. But this house is a 5-bedroom, 6-bath. It is 4,600, just over 4,600 square feet total. Amazing deck. I can't wait to show you the deck. And it is listed at 3.7. So it is also probably one of the most priciest homes that I have been able to do a Feature Friday on. So super excited to even just have the opportunity to show this to you. So I hope you enjoy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the camera around like I usually do, and we're just going to get nosy together. So hold on. Okay, so here we are. I am standing, literally I just walk in the door and start recording. And then we get to just kind of go around and look at this together and talk about it. So again, this Boulder home coming in, like you come in and you just see, just like looking up and just the ceiling and the detail, the beautiful wood windowsills and this front door. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna post the full listing photo so you can see the front. The curb appeal is out of this world. The floors are beautiful. So you come in, you have this front sitting area, custom blinds, lots of sunlight. Look at the ceiling, built-in speakers. Coming over here, and then it kind of steps down here. Fireplace. Then there's a door that goes out over here, like to all of these windows. And I feel like it's like the perfect weather to kind of actually see like how far out you can kind of look out and see the views. But like then there's a whole sitting area over here to the side. So door there. Again, hopefully I don't go too quick because I'm just so excited. Then it kind of wraps around where you either, go down to the basement, go up, basement is walk out, and we're gonna see that this massive kitchen, like this kitchen was made for entertaining. These slide open doors, look how cute, and that go out here, which we will go out, but I'm gonna just show this, like large, lots of counter space. double side-by-side oven, 6 burner with griddle, gas stove. Just look at that. And then like just the wood, the grain in the wood, and then just like the detail, soft clothes, large fridge, microwave is down here, and then even just a small sink there. Like, so cool. Coming over here is bar fridge, pantry, wine racks. That's probably like pots and pan rack, or however you would want to like organize it, but so beautiful. Then there is this door out to the deck, which we might just do this door since we're right here, just continue us through. So you can like easy access grill, go inside to the kitchen without having to bypass the guests from the other access points. And then just this large, so this is on just about a 1/4 of an acre lot, which is a good size lot. And then like there's a hot tub here, and kind of looking at here, let's see if we can get just some of the views that you get from here. The trees have really filled in too, so you probably in the winter could even see a little bit further. Super quiet area, beautiful yard, which we'll see down. And then there's even balcony up top, which we're gonna get there. There's so much to see. So let's go back in, see what else we can see. And we'll just lock this door behind me. I'll check that later. So coming in through here, let's see what else we have. So it is a 3-car garage. So coming in over here, you have a nice built-in mudroom that's continuous with the same cabinetry here. So it is a 2-car and then tandem. I don't want the door to totally close, which is a large tandem, parking space, storage, lots of space here. So this, I'm trying to think what else. There, that's amazing. Okay, let's go upstairs so you guys can see. Oh, can't forget this area here. So this area could be guest room, office. Beautiful. I mean, the wallpaper in this is so amazing. It's like textured, and so this could be a small guest room. It looks great. It's great as an office. There is a full bathroom off this space here for shower, vanity. So, and I think this is just going to be it's like a walk-in, laundry. So there's laundry here. That's great. Lots of good size there. So laundry here. Let's go upstairs. I feel like there's laundry elsewhere too, if I remember correctly. Beautiful woodwork. Just the detail, the iron railings. So coming up, okay, you gotta see this bathroom and just look at the tile work. Oh, I love these lights. Aren't those beautiful? Cabinetry kind of wraps in behind counter space. This tile is so cool. It's like textured again, and then it kind of wraps around here, goes to there. So it's not just a true like wall transition. How cool is that? That is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So then here, this is the primary. I mean, you have even higher views here. Look how beautiful. Beautiful. I think when oh yeah, you can see the flat irons barely over here and behind that tree there. Maybe, oh yeah, you go further over here on the deck, you can see them over there, which is beautiful. But Very large, spacious primary. Let's see what the primary bathroom looks like. Double vanity, shower, soaker tub, standalone. Beautiful. Walk-in closet with custom built-ins. So nice. Such good use of space. Beautiful. All right, let's go through and see what we have. And then there's 2 other bedrooms here. So that, just to give an idea, that is a queen size bed. Again, they all have the custom blinds coming in, double like slider closet over. There's this bedroom here. I mean, just the large windows and so much light is beautiful. They have this here, and this is because of the stairs, but you could get super creative and make that like a little reading nook, put the pillows down, incorporate it into just use of space. This is a smaller closet here, but still good use. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna go down. And because I'm pre-recording this, I'm gonna pause it and then we're gonna be down so I can save time. All right, coming in downstairs, see where the lights are at, but kind of just let's go around, and what you see just as you come into the space is amazing. Let's see. So let's see what we got going on over here. Closet, audio-visual settings for the whole house entertainment system. The beams are, even down here in the basement, are beautiful. Utilities, hot water heater, huge hot water heater. This does have solar, so has solar. It also has a 1500 integrated water storage system and a holding tank, and then it's got even like the raised tray ceiling and the detail of the lip there. Walkout basement. There's so much more. I just can't. I'm so excited to show you. So here's like what we looked at up above and underneath. Great sitting area, shade, quiet. And then coming in here is a whole nother suite. So there's a half bath here for guests. Then there is this whole space. I'm gonna get the light on. So small storage closet, but this can also be a laundry. So you can use this as have it separate laundry down here as well. So it's already wired, plumbed, and has been in the past used as laundry. Walk-in closet here. And then coming over here, still lots of light, beautiful windows. Coming into the bathroom here. Beautiful soaker tub, shower. Again, the tile is amazing. Bathroom here. And then this is an access point for the ADU. So you can totally close this off, bolt it, lock it, but having the separate entrance or having it attached with an entrance to the home allows it. There's so many things legally that it does for value, for rules for having it being Airbnb, things like that. So if you have questions about that, happy to help. But coming down here, kitchenette, full kitchenette here, dishwasher, microwave, fridge, gas stove. Coming in here, full bathroom here with a walk-in shower. Slider that goes out so you could have the private entrance from outside coming in. here, and it has its own AC unit and furnace. And it is more of a studio setup, but what a great Airbnb in Boulder, 2 miles from Pearl Street. Like, amazing. So let's see what's going on. I think this is just another closet. Large closet here. Amazing. I mean, just the opportunities that you have. Like if you wanted for college age kids that are going to school here or that are just kind of growing up, if you wanted to rent it out for additional income, I mean, just the possibilities. If you have an aging parent and you just need a space for them, like this has so much opportunity, which is awesome. So this house, so cool. So again, just as a reminder, this one is in Boulder, 2 miles from Pearl Street. It is listed at $3.7 million, and it is in the Wilson Heights neighborhood, 5-bedroom, 6-bath, amazing views, incredible. Let me know if you have any questions or if you just want to be nosy and just like, hey, I'm curious about this, like, would love to help. Also, I would love to help anybody that you know that is wondering if it makes sense to buy or sell right now. Have been helping quite a few people figure out and kind of run some numbers and see if it makes sense for them. But would love to help anybody that you know. So thank you so much for hanging out with me this Friday, and I'll see you again next Friday.